Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the PenFed Platinum Visa Signature credit card. Now, I love this credit card because you guys are going to earn a lot of rewards. So as you can see here, you guys are going to earn 5 times the points. And you guys are using your car at the pump at the gas station, or if you guys have an electric vehicle when you are at the charging stations, and you guys are going to earn 3 times the points at Target and Walmart, restaurants. If you guys have like your cable set up, some streaming services, you guys are going to earn 3 times the points, and that's not usually normal. And you guys are going to have a sign up bonus and 0% intro APR for this credit card. So I really love this credit card, especially if you guys need to do a balance transfer. So if this is your first time watching my videos, my name is Rickita. I know I'm kind of dressed differently today, but I'm actually training for a half a marathon. Just got done working out. My audio's messed up, so I had to redo the video. And I wanted to make sure I get this video out for you guys today, especially for those people inside my membership, because this is a card that I'm going to suggest for you guys. But let's go and look at all the details for this credit card. Understand that PenFed is going to pull your Equifax credit report and look at your Equifax credit score. They're going to look at your FICO 9. When you guys apply for this credit card, you guys cannot do like a pre-qualification like some of the other credit cards out there. But think of this card as like a Navy Federal, because it's a credit union. PenFed is a credit union, just like Navy Federal. So I compare this card really to Navy Federal. So if you guys are able to get credit cards with Navy Fed, then you could possibly get some with this. But understand, Navy Fed do pull TransUnion, and your credit reports could be different. But try to have the best score that you can have to get this card, and call them if you have any questions. Like, call them. They're there for you. Call them and ask them any questions that you have. And I told you guys got so many different rewards for this credit card. And I love to get some of my groceries at Walmart. So I like that you guys can get 3 times the point at Walmart, get restaurants too. I love that. Everybody got to get gas. So 5 times the point at the gas station is just amazing. Now, this card, they don't have an annual fee at all, which is something I really love. I don't want to get any credit cards right now that have an annual fee. So I love that. I do not, I just like, I don't get cards that have like major rewards. I'm not doing any major traveling right now. So I want a card that don't have an annual fee at all. This card have a very low APR. So right now it is at 17.99%, which is amazing. Usually some of these credit cards, when you don't have the best of credit, usually some of these credit cards could charge you a lot in terms of they can do 29.99%, 21 percent, 24%. It's just different. But this one is low because it's under 20%. Those people that have a balance on their other credit cards, this can be a great credit card for you guys to do a balance transfer with, because they have the 0% intro APR for balance transfers for 12 months. So for 12 months, you're going to have 0% APR. They are going to charge you a 3% fee per transaction. But to me, that's like way better than being charged your normal APR and letting the balance sit on your credit card. I just think that's so much better. Just pay a flat rate fee, get it on out the way, and just make sure, this is the key when it comes down to these balance transfers. Just make sure that you pay off that full balance that you transfer before that 0% APR expires. Because if you don't, they're going to charge you as if you never had a 0% APR, and you guys don't want them to charge you that way, because there's no point even having a card. Now, when you guys think about this bonus, the 15,000 bonus points, you guys have to spend at least $1,500 in your first 90 days. So that's about $500 a month. If you guys are already using your other credit cards at like the pump, start using this credit card at the pump, at the gas station, and keep track of how much you're spending. And also, if you're already spending your money at Target and Walmart, or like at the restaurants, like me and Babe do date nights every Friday, sometimes Saturday if we miss it. Use your credit card at the restaurants. If you got your cable, pay it with this. You got any streaming services, switch your streaming services onto this card. You guys are going to get 3 times the points here. I just want you guys to make sure that you hit that bonus on this card. Again, you don't have any annual fees. If you guys like to use your card outside the country, this one is a great one. Like if you like to go outside the country, travel, and you need a credit card for that, and you don't want to pay any annual fees, I mean, not annual fee, transaction fees, then this one is a great one because they don't charge you any foreign transaction fees. So I really, really like that. So you won't be charged extra for using your card. They have enhanced security, which is really good. They have the chip, which it just makes sure that you guys are not like when you guys use your card somewhere else, they're not keeping your data, so our information about your card. So I really like that. You guys have the 24/7 fraud monitoring, so if they see anything crazy, they're going to contact you immediately. Some of the companies like to text you, email you, some even call you, but rarely they call you. They usually text and email you and let you know, hey, it look like you have a transaction that's not normal. And when they send you that, you can talk to them right away. Now, remember, I said you can do a balance transfer with this. This is very good for those people that probably have multiple balances all over the place too. You probably got 4 or 5 credit cards. You need to transfer the balance, transfer it all onto this credit card, and then you can just pay whatever you was paying on those original credit cards, like add up your monthly bill, pay that now on this credit card. Pay that now on this credit card and then pay extra. Just remember to pay it off early, because if you don't, if you guys hold the balance after that 12 months, remember they're going to charge you. They have special discounts for you guys, so definitely check out the discounts that they have available. And then too, if you are traveling or you're doing dining, you need help, you need help with dining and entertainment needs, you can call them 24 hours a day, 365 days. They are never closed. They are always available for you. And if you guys want to know like how many points you guys can get, how much your rewards can add up, then they have a calculator here where you can track, okay, so my gas is more about $250 a month. That's how much I spend about in gas. My groceries is about $700 a month. That's how much I'm spending on groceries. And then all my other purchases, I just say nothing. So even if I just do just my regular gas and groceries, let's put a little bit more, because we got to put it 1,000, because I got restaurants, streaming services, all of that. That means I'll be getting 4,200 points a month, and then 51,000 a year. So if we were to think of this as like cash back, that's about $510 if we used to get even cash back. Now, this is not going to be even cash back, but this is still some great rewards. When I say even cash back, I'm thinking about like you get 1 times the amount of cash back. It's not the same as that. What you guys can do is you can get your points turned into gift cards, and even got a Visa. You can get your points turned into a Visa, and if you want to rack them up all year, and then at the end of the year you want to use all your points for shopping, you can, because they got over 300 gift card brands that you guys can choose from, and then you can get digital or physical cards. So that's something that I really, really like. But go ahead and check them out. Hopefully you guys are able to get approved for this card. If you guys are able to get approved, definitely come back and let me know. I'm very, very excited about you guys checking out this card, and plus the other cards that's out there. There's so many out there that you guys can apply for. Even PenFed had other ones you can apply for. If you guys are having a hard time getting approved, think about watching my video. I have a full hour video to show you how to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. So go ahead and check this out first. If your credit score is low, when your credit score go up, that's when you apply for the credit cards, because now you up. Now you up there at that point. So go ahead and check it out. I did have my first meeting on Friday, which is a few days ago. That's when I actually hold your hand through the process and help you increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days, because some people just can't do it on their own. Some people need the extra help. So make sure you guys join my membership so you can get that extra help. And if I already started a group and you missed that one, I'm always starting another one. So go ahead and check out that other group that I am starting if you guys missed that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.